Hello, hello, hello. This is George at Coatings by the Bay, your local new car ceramic coating expert. And today I just wrapped up this 2026 Subaru Outback. The owner has seen preview photos and she said, how is it possible to make a new car look even newer? And we accomplished it. Better than showroom new. And I can definitely say that in this case. I'll insert a photo here in a second. Yeah, that upper portion of the hood was torched. And that's just in the video. We'd already corrected most of the hood for the video. So yeah, don't trust the dealership to put your coatings on, that's for sure. I would send you to any local competition over a dealership applying a coating. The exterior, like I said, step of paint correction, full exterior coated. So glass, badges, trim, rims, plastics, everything except the rubber. And I'll show you the interior as well here. Just a nice sheen. Nothing greasy. Everything's hand applied inside the vehicle. It will last for years, not days, like those cheap sprays that they just spritz all over the place and wipe off. So if you're in the market for a new Subaru or any new vehicle in general, I'd love to talk to you. Odds are ceramic coating might not be right for you. But if it is, I'd love to be the one to serve you. And if it isn't, I'd love to be the one to educate you on why it's not a great fit. You can text me anytime at 920-659-0023. Or you can go to the website, coatingsbythebay.com. Hundreds of FAQs are answered on the website. Pricing is transparently listed. I don't hide behind a get a quote form. My prices are right there with a ceramic coating calculator that requires zero personal information. I'm not even fishing for emails. It's time to bring some integrity back to the industry. And all we can do is one little step at a time. So again, if you're in the market for a new car, I'd love to talk to you. It's George at Coatings by the Bay. You can text me at 920-659-0023 or go to coatingsbythebay.com. Have a good one.